Welcome to the Richemont Masterbaker Pastry and Baking Championship 2018. We're here at the Richemont Masterbaker Academy in Jumeirah Lakes Towers, where a selection of the UAE's finest chefs are battling it out in the kitchen.
We are here in final, it's everyone very excited. Everyone want to be a winner. So for me it's like good because the thing is like everybody, they do their best to get this award. They provide everything like best ingredient, best chocolate, especially like equipment, they have all. So we all happy for this.
Competitions like this, it really helps us to know where we stand, especially in pastry industry. Like you know like what the other chefs and other hotels, and it's really good to have good ideas and how they work. That's it.
It was an amazing experience with Richemont Masterbaker. It was my first time for this kind of competition. The place, the environment, really amazing. The oven, the equipments, all are superb.
Today I did my best, and then all of my experience of my entire career I give in this day. Even if I lose, I'm still okay because I learned a lot. That's the most important for me.
For having competitions like this and other competitions, it's great for profile, it's great for the industry. I think it helps younger people in particular, younger chefs, have a sense of achievement, it helps their confidence and it helps their self-esteem as well. Really, motivate themselves and give them the sense of achievement that they need.
When you do a competition like this, it's very, very difficult because they work in a total different environment. We're just looking at the basic. You don't need to go over the top. Display what you know best to see what you're able to do.
Quite interesting to see the different talents, the different approaches to what we have asked them to do. They did an amazing product. Overall, a very, very interesting competition, and we have built a quite solid foundation, I think, to continue this competition and showcase more talents on this market.
It was a bit tough. They teach us new things. We see other styles, we see advices from judges. So ideas, learning experience is the best part of the competition.
Competition shouldn't be thought about, I'm going to beat the other person. It should be understanding that you're striving to get to know yourself better. If you have that focus of understanding what you need and not what they have, that's what competition really gives you, that spur to do more. And that's what competition should be mentally about. It's basically trying to produce better of who you are.
A competition brings you forward, it shows you where you are standing. Of course, we are giving a tough feedback to see where are my strengths, where can I improve, and where are my mistakes, where I have to eliminate my mistakes to do something to go further.
Being a judge in this competition, it's important that we give them pointers, show them certain things. Of course, it's the finalists, so in terms of organization and result, we were much more pleased of what came out.
I feel that we have had a very good response from the chefs. People will look up to the competition as a way not only to prove themselves, but also to revise what they have learned and to practice what they have learned to achieve a good score in a tightly contested competition like this. I'm very happy with the first edition. I hope that it will get better and better and bigger and bigger.